Hey friends, I hope all of you are fine and enjoying the best of your health and life. Friends, my today's video is creative and unique in itself because in this video I am going to share a very beautiful creative and unique ideas of silk embroidery. Yes friends, you have heard it right. Silk embroidery is an inspired hand embroidery art that is inspired by the traditional Chinese embroidery patterns. Chinese embroidery is totally based upon silk embroidery, silky thread embroidery. This embroidery gives a very unique, ravishing, eye-catchy and 3D pattern-based look to your dresses, and the silk embroidery gives remarkable impact on your wearers, on the persons who are going to look, and they will be looking back and back again and again onto you that what type of these embroideries are, because the silk embroidery is a unique pattern of embroidery that is getting a very close attention from the Asian world as well. So I would recommend you to do try these patterns and share your experiences with us. The silky thread is available in many type of companies like Pico and Anchor, and DMC threads are also being used for making these patterns, but I would recommend you to use silky threads. Different type of company based silky threads are being available in different regions of the world, so do try these patterns. All of these look extremely ravishing, eye-catchy and beautiful. You can make these very beautiful floral patterns as a sleeve motif, as a trouser designing idea, as a all over heavy massive embroidery pattern for designing your dresses, for designing the dresses, skirts, frocks, yokes of your baby girls as well. Wait, don't go anywhere. The scope is not only limited to this, but you can also design very beautiful and very creative and pretty design ideas of home decor. Like you can make these patterns onto your tablecloths, onto your cushion covers, pillow covers, for your bed sheets, for your table mats, and many more creativities to decorate your homes as well. So if you like my today's ideas, my creativity, then please don't forget to like and subscribe, and while subscribing press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. And not only this, stay tuned for new upcoming videos. Up till then, take care, and once again thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.